This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 road is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, awning, microwave, LP detector, DVD player, leveling jacks, TV, air conditioning, external shower, stove-top burner, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,260 RD is 7,534 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.